Good afternoon. My name is Josie Chamba. I am a student at the Indo-American Technological University. I am currently in the fourth semester and today I will be presenting the comparison of the computer and the laptop. Let's talk about mobility. A computer, say in the office or at home, and needs several external elements such as the mouse, the keyboard, among others, while a laptop is easier to transport and can be used anywhere since it has built-in components. Comparing a laptop and computer in terms of speed, the computer is more powerful for activity in terms of screen speed. Desktop monitors can range from 15-inch screen to 34-inch screen, while laptop the larger the screen, the larger and heavier the laptop. Desktop storage and memory would be a better option as laptop cannot be easily upgraded. Finally, in the terms of cost, one can be significantly cheaper than the other as long as you agree to match in function, but it depends on what activity you need. A different language is a different vision of life. Thank you very much for your attention and your time.